everybody, this is Miss Carolina. I work at Sunshine State Academy, and today we are going to be dealing with numbers and comparing numbers. So we are going to be doing 3-digit numbers. For some kids, it's very hard, especially when they are learning how to place each number. So we have ones, we have tens, and we have hundreds. So when it comes to hundreds, it's very hard for them to compare numbers. So there's an easy way for you to practice with them comparing those numbers. One of the things is I always tell my kids is just look at that 100 numbers. When you have 3 digits, look at the hundreds. The hundreds, if they are the same, then you're going to go to your 10th place, which is going to be easier if there are different numbers, and you're going to see which one is bigger and which one is not. And then you go to your ones. But if you have different numbers and you have comparing the numbers, it's easier when you have, let's say, 300 versus 400, which is going to be very easy. So the way to do it is I use index card and I use markers and scissors. Very simple to do. And again, this is review before they have a test, or just if they're having difficulties for them to actually know what to do. So I did the signs, and I did less than, and the greater than, and equal. That's all you're gonna need, those signs. And then you are going to be needing 2 pairs of numbers. So you're gonna let them, and then this one, I will give it to them so they can see which one they can use. And you just place the number. So you place the number, and then what you do is, let's say I'm gonna pick 455 and 531, and then you just give them the little cards, and you tell them, okay, which one is gonna be bigger than what or smaller than what, and then you can give them, and then they will do it for you. So if they have difficulties, this is the time for you to just tutor them and say, okay, this is the 400, and then this is 500. So you think which one has more, and then you can even have your fingers, using your fingers. So you have 4 here and you have 5 here. So which one has more? So this is little tricks here and there that you can help. But when you have, let's say, I have here, if I have 2 numbers, they are the same numbers. Let's say 300 and 300. So let's put it this way. So, and then if you have 342 and 314, then you're gonna have to go to your 10th place. So then now you have to go and say, okay, now we're going to do the same thing, either 4 or 1. Which one is gonna be better? So which one is gonna be higher? And then again, they're gonna tell you which one is gonna be, which sign they're gonna be using. So it's very easy to do. So let's start doing it now, right now. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to do the index card, and I use the back. You can use a line if you want, but that's up to you. And what I do is I cut it into 3 different pieces. So I'm gonna cut it in 1, 2, and 3. And again, you can have this one used, and you're gonna be using that less than. You can use any color they want, and if they wanna help you using this, you can ask them to. So I'm gonna do less than, and then I'm gonna do, let's say, 2 numbers. I'm gonna do 214, and I'm gonna use 315. So what you will do is, again, you will give them this, and then you're gonna give them the number, and then you're gonna say, okay, you can arrange it to be less than or greater than. So you're gonna have 214 is less than 315. And again, you can play around with them. You can give them all the signs, or you can pick the sign and give them the numbers, and they replace it for you. So you can either way. So I hope that you have fun, and it's very easy to do. Just have fun with it, okay? Bye-bye. Thank you.